A diet rich in vegetables can potentially help alleviate arthritis symptoms. Certain vegetables, such as broccoli, spinach, kale, Brussels sprouts, bell peppers, carrots, sweet potatoes, cauliflower, garlic, and ginger, contain nutrients and compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating these vegetables into your diet may support joint health and reduce inflammation associated with arthritis. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that contains a compound called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce the production of certain enzymes in the body that contribute to inflammation. Studies have suggested that sulforaphane may help alleviate symptoms of arthritis by reducing inflammation and protecting joint tissues. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is packed with nutrients and antioxidants. It is particularly rich in vitamins A and C, both of which have anti-inflammatory properties. Vitamin C is involved in collagen synthesis, which helps maintain the integrity of cartilage and joints. The antioxidants in spinach can help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting those with arthritis. Like spinach, kale is a nutrient-dense vegetable that offers a range of health benefits. It contains an abundance of antioxidants, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as carotenoids and flavonoids. These antioxidants help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals and can help reduce inflammation. Kale also contains glucosinolates, which can be converted into anti-inflammatory compounds, further supporting joint health. Brussels sprouts are part of the cruciferous vegetable family, known for their potential health benefits. They are rich in antioxidants, including vitamins C and E, as well as flavonoids and glucosinolates. These compounds possess anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Regular consumption of Brussels sprouts may contribute to improved joint health and reduced arthritis symptoms. Bell peppers, particularly the brightly colored ones, are excellent sources of vitamin C and antioxidants. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen synthesis, which plays a vital role in maintaining the structure and health of joints. The antioxidants in bell peppers, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, help neutralize free radicals, which can cause cellular damage and trigger inflammation. Including bell peppers in your diet can potentially support joint health and reduce arthritis-related inflammation. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A. Beta-carotene and other carotenoids possess anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce inflammation in the body. Additionally, carrots are a good source of fiber and other essential nutrients, which support overall health. Regularly consuming carrots can contribute to a balanced diet that supports joint health and potentially alleviates arthritis symptoms. Sweet potatoes are vibrant and nutritious root vegetables that provide an array of health benefits. They are rich in antioxidants, including beta-carotene and vitamin C, which can help reduce inflammation and combat oxidative stress. Sweet potatoes also contain fiber, potassium, and other nutrients that support a healthy diet. By incorporating sweet potatoes into your meals, you can add anti-inflammatory compounds to your diet and promote joint health. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that is low in calories but packed with nutrients. It is an excellent source of vitamins C and K, as well as various antioxidants, including glucosinolates and carotenoids. These antioxidants and phytochemicals have been found to possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation and support joint health. Adding cauliflower to your diet can contribute to an overall anti-inflammatory eating plan beneficial for arthritis. Garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It contains sulfur compounds, such as allicin, which are responsible for its distinctive aroma and potential health benefits. Garlic has been associated with anti-inflammatory effects and may help reduce inflammation in the body. Some studies have suggested that garlic may inhibit certain enzymes involved in the inflammatory process, potentially providing relief from arthritis symptoms. While not a vegetable, ginger is a root with potent anti-inflammatory properties. It contains bioactive compounds called gingerols and shogales, which have been shown to inhibit inflammation in the body. Ginger may help reduce pain and stiffness associated with arthritis and may also have a protective effect on joint health. It can be consumed fresh, as a spice, or in the form of ginger tea to benefit from its anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating these 10 vegetables into your diet can provide a wide range of nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. However, it's important to note that individual responses to foods can vary, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you have specific dietary concerns or health conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian who can provide personalized advice tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about the video. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.